Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. In this video tutorial I will show you how to fix the Legend of Heroes Trails Beyond the Horizon game crashing, not launching, not loading, lagging, freezing, black screen error on PS5. So let's jump to the solutions. So the very first method is to restart your PlayStation. It's one of the best way to fix the issue. It will resolve temporary bugs or glitches that is leading to such problem. You just open PS5 screen and click on PlayStation button on controller, then select power button and then select restart PS5. Once your PS5 restarts, check if the game is opening or not. If not, next is to rebuild database. For that, switch off your PS5 first, then hold down power button unless 2 beep sound occur. Now leave power button to enter safe mode. Here connect DualSense controller via USB cable and then select rebuild database. After that, check if the game is launching or not. If not, next method is to check storage space on console. For that, go to PS5 settings and move down to storage. Here you will see console storage and extended storage. Now check each of them by clicking on it and then delete save data. After that, go to PS5 settings, tap on save data and game or app settings. Now select save data PS5. Next, choose console storage and tap on delete option. Next method is to change language on console. First, open PS5 settings and go to system. Here choose language option in the left sidebar, then select current language. Now change the language to English or any other and then check if the issue is resolved. If not, next solution is to check for game update. You should ensure the game is updated and is not outdated. The developers of the game often releases patches to deal with several kinds of bugs or other issues and improve performance. So make sure you check if there is any update available, and after updating the game, now check if the game is launching or not. If not, next is to check PS5 overheating. So make sure your PS5 is not overheating and is well ventilated. If it's overheating, try to cool down for some time. This will help to fix the issue. Next is to switch Wi-Fi frequency. For that, go to settings on your Wi-Fi first, then click on network, then click on settings, then click on setup network connection. Here click on options. Under Wi-Fi frequency, you can switch to 5 GHz or 2.4 GHz and then check if the problem is resolved. If not, next is to sign out and sign into PS5. For that, go to settings and tap on users and accounts, then go down and click on other option. After that, click on sign out option. Once done, again log into PS5 account and check for the error. If not, next is to install software updates on PS5. For that, open settings on your PS5, then select system, then go to system software, click on system software update and settings. Next, choose update system software if there is any update available, and finally select update using internet option. Next method is to restore licenses. For that, open settings, then click on users and accounts, then move down to others on left panel. Now choose restore licenses. After that, select the Legend of Heroes Trails Beyond the Horizon and then click on restore. Finally confirm by selecting yes. If not, next is to delete games save file PS5. First, open settings on PS5 menu. Now choose save data PS5. Here select upload or delete from console storage and then select the game and then check if the issue is resolved. If not, next is to reinstall the Legend of Heroes Trails Beyond the Horizon game. For that, highlight the game on your PS5 first and then press options on your controller. Now select delete and confirm it. Finally, restart your PS5 and install the game once again to check for the error. If not, then the final solution is to contact support. So if nothing works, then you should take help from the PlayStation support. Link is already in the description. You just have to explain whatever the issue you are coming across while playing the game, and the support team will try to resolve it from their end. So that's all for now in this video. Thank you.